Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel Login Aid, and in today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix WhatsApp messages not sending. So now without any further ado, let's begin with the steps. So first of all, scroll down to your control panel if you are using an iOS device from the right hand corner of your screen. Now once you are here, simply turn off your Wi-Fi for some time. Just wait for a few seconds and then turn it on back again. Do the same in case you are using your cellular data. Now you can also turn on your airplane mode. Now again, wait for a few seconds and then turn it off. Make sure that you have a stable Wi-Fi connection. If your Wi-Fi is not stable, you may get problems from the application. Now let's jump to another step. What you have to do is just launch settings on your mobile device. Once you are here, scroll down below and then tap on the option of General. Now again scroll down below and tap on the option of iPhone storage. Now again scroll down and then tap open the application WhatsApp over here. Now once you are here, you'll see the option of Offload app. Tap on it. Now again tap on Offload app at the bottom. So by doing this step, you'll be able to clear cache from the application. Now, wait for a few minutes or a few seconds and then tap on Reinstall app. Now wait until your application is being reinstalled. Till then, let's go ahead with another step. Launch App Store or Google Play Store according to your device if it's an Android device or an iOS device. In my case, I'm just gonna launch App Store. Now, just tap on Search at the bottom right corner. Now just go to the search bar and search for WhatsApp. Here we go. Now tap open the application on top. Now once you are here, if you see the option of update instead of open, tap on it and make sure that your WhatsApp application is updated to its latest version. If your app is not updated, you may face problems from the application. So make sure that it is updated. Also, if you update your application, you may get latest features from the app. So follow these easy steps and you'll be able to fix your problem in no time. And that's all for today. If you found this video helpful and informative, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel.